Are you ready?
Yeah, go. That's your duck? It can't be.
A duck. You little thing is going to go.
Do the tooth thing.
Tooth thing?
The scary.
Oh, they've already seen
the
it.
rabid
Oh,
bat.
the vampire?
whatever it is. What
The
is it?
rabid bat?
Rabbit bat.
I don't know what you can.
And you know what? I can do facial expressions like he does.
Yeah, what? That's hot, Grandpa.
Get those nose hairs.
Oh, please.
Ew, that's gross.
I have to clip mine down so it doesn't show.
Do you really have to do
Oh,
that?
heck yeah. It's disgusting.
That is pretty gross.
Have you seen Dumb and Dumber? When they, it looks like they're cutting their hair, but then they look up, it's the nose. They're like,
That's pretty funny.